zombie and Peppa Pig and zombie.
What did the zombie do?
He is in the bubble, yes, 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 he is in the bubble, yes, 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 Toto.
Oh no! What did Toto do?
Zombie Toto is broken.
It's broken?
Zombie Toto is broken in school.
But Toto went to school.
Toto understood the broken school.
Ha! It's taekwondo.
Toto zombie and the unbroken chair. Taking it on the broken hair.
Oh, broken what?
We see.
What did you say again? Iya, iya, iya.
Hair.
Here?
And
What are you
taking
making?
zombie and the broken either.
And then?
Zombie kicking it after the broken machine kicking on the tape.
And what did Iya do?
Mention the seat. I mention the Toto. I mention Toto. I mention Bubba. I mention the Nine.
Okay.
I mention Friend.
Friend?
I mention the Mimi.
Mimi friend. Mimi is your friend, right?
I see and men's. Daughters are just the
Toto, watch Nasha?
what the fuck.
What the fuck is that? What did you
Go,
say?
Mama, go. Sit down.
Okay, I just sit down here.
Oh my God.
I'll just listen to your story, Iya.
Here, show me on the kitchen. It's broken here.
Okay. I'll tell Kinken.
Show me and Toto and the book and to show me and Tata and show me on the broken here. Machine Tata, machine Kitchen, machine Bubba, machine Toto, machine Kitchen.
Oh my God.
A zombie and I hide and on zombie and third eye Pushki.
Push kick a zombie.
Hey, it's your bye.
Who push kick the zombie?
Yeah.
Oh, oh no.